some senators are pushing back against a Facebook post by the Chinese embassy in Manila, calling it disrespectful and an intrusion into the country's affairs. Here's a report.
A Facebook post by the Chinese embassy in Manila has drawn strong criticism from Senator Risa Ontiveros. According to Ontiveros, the post appeared to downplay a Senate resolution signed by 15 senators which condemned the Chinese embassy's statements against Philippine government officials.
Ganyan pa rin ang tono nila, bastos, walang paggalang. At gusto pa rin nila sila ang masusunod. Hindi lang sa dagat ng Pilipinas, hindi lang sa social media ng Pilipinas, pati sa Senado ng Pilipinas.
During discussions at the Senate on Tuesday, the possibility was raised of declaring Chinese embassy deputy spokesperson Go Wei as persona non grata, and even replacing Chinese ambassador to the Philippines Xing Quan. In the end, however, the Senate deferred approval of the resolution. Senate Minority Leader Alan Peter Cayetano moved for the issue to be brought to a hearing to determine what exactly Philippine Coast Guard Commodore J. Terriela had said that angered China. Among those who did not sign the resolution condemning China's attacks was Alan Peter Cayetano, along with other members of the minority bloc and the Duterte bloc. On Monday, Senators Risa Ontiveros and Rodante Marcoleta engaged in a heated debate.
Napakalaki ng China, napakamayaman ng ekonomiya ng bansa na pwede po natin sigurong maging siguro kakampi sa mga darating pong mga panahon kung maisasantabi po natin ang mga sigalot na namamayani sa ating bansa.
In principle, bakit hindi? Pero pwede ba nating maging kakampi ang China kung ipagpapatuloy niya ang pinaggagawan niya sa ating karagatan, sa internet?
Aside from Marcoleta, Senator Robin Padilla also did not sign the resolution.
Tagal ko na rin sinabi na may budget naman ng Coast Guard, ba't di kayo bumili ng mas malakas na water cannon at gumanti kayo?
That suggestion was answered by PCG Commodore J. Terriela.
Alam natin na ang China ay humahanap ng paraan para maisisi sa atin ang pagtaas ng tensyon sa West Philippine Sea. The moment we use our water cannons, the Chinese Coast Guard may have a justification to increase their aggression to the next level.
The Armed Forces of the Philippines also insisted that it has evidence of China's illegal activities and harassment of Filipinos.
The facts on the ground do not lie. We have videos for this to supplement all our reports. Hence, we leave it up to the Filipino people to be the judge.
Kapatid Mobile Journal Julie Baiza, We're One News.